you. Lion's mane, we have you this time. This time it is lion's mane. This time, this is lion's mane. Now, this is one of the mushroom blocks that we made out of the lion's mane grain spawn that we had. So we made the mushroom blocks, put them there, and as you know, lion's mane mycelium is never serious. It will never finish the whole block. So to our surprise yesterday as we checked, we saw some small pinnings. And here I come to check again today. So look at this. I don't want even to touch near that one. This time it is hard. That should be lion's mane. There is that pinning. There is also this pinning here. This one also is of lion's mane. There is also this one here. You can see the mycelium is scanty. And this one was named here. There is also this one. Lion's Mane Garden. Made 8th September 2025. So this time, just keep watching this week. I might have good news for you. This is the second block, the second lion's mane mushroom block. Now, this one is also pinning. You can see the pins. We start with this one here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one. And this one has some well-defined mycelium, better than the other one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make some cuts. The razor blade is clean, just new. It's here. So I'm going to make some small cuts. I've made X. X, where I can see serious mycelium. Wherever I can see serious mycelium, I put a cut to see whether they will pin. Now, look at this one. It's coming out and it's hard. Now, we are pouring water and then they're a bit flabby. I think we should stop pouring water, eh? I'm truly happy. This could be the start of the happiness. Yeah? So this one was also made on 8th September, same day. I think here the mycelium is not serious. Let me just make a cut. Okay, let's wait to see. At least we've advanced. We started with making the grain spawn. At least now we can make lion's mane grain spawn. We can multiply the culture. And now we are on the mushroom blocks. Woo!